What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I must be showing y'all how to make a professional sounding song using rap vocals, man. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. And stay tuned. We on the road to 20K. I know my videos may seem a little basic right now, but you know, it's just because I've been thugging it off my phone. But you know, everything gonna come into place, man. But enough talking, man. Now let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So for this song today, it's gonna be the song I had just made. It's called God Did. You know, I just kind of came in and just started like going crazy, man. I'm about to put y'all on the presets, just how I got it done, man. And yeah, but I'm gonna let y'all listen to it right quick, and then we finna get into it.
Hey, Bryce.
They ain't believe in the kid, but God did. Watch the ones you love, they might just be the ones that talk shit. Been betrayed so many times, I don't even really feel shit. I try to play this shit off, but a nigga needs some healing.
All right, y'all, as y'all can hear, man, this song is a banger, man. If you would like to listen to the full song, go check the link in the description. It's gonna be the first link, man. So yeah, let's get back into the video though. For this track, I didn't really do too much. All I really did was, you know, just I added 4 layers of vocals, and I didn't add no ad libs. You know, I didn't really get the time to do the ad libs on this song. I just did the vocals. But man, as y'all can see, what I did was I write it down everything, and I feel like when I write down everything, whether it be on a paper or on the notes, and I like remember it in my head, it's like easier for me to like to just, you know, just get it out. For my second part, I just, you know, I did the same thing. Like it was really just like 3 parts of the song, bro. Just you know, keep repeating it over and over in your head until you know you remember your lyrics and all that. And then, you know, you just gotta train yourself to be ready, bro. Cause you know when you perform, you feel me? It's just a different feeling. We finna get into these presets, man. I know that's what y'all been waiting for, man. So hey, let's get into it. Okay, right here we got the Digicom compressor, and I really like this compressor. It's kind of like one of the best ones on Bandlab right now, so you're gonna see me using this often. And the equalizer, one of my favorite features I like using for my presets. It helps me like equalize my highs and lows. And let's delete this reverb. I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't use that reverb no more. This is my new reverb, Space Maker, man. I turn that up to about 18, you feel me, 20, and then I put the type on room. But back to it, man. Noise gate, you already know. Graphic EQ. De-easer. Pause the video if you need to. And you know, last but not least, you're gonna need a gain compressor. And I just use this to like turn up my vocals when I'm done mixing it. And yeah, man. Now as y'all can see, your beat, well, for me, I always make sure my beat's louder than my voice. But I always make sure like my voice and the beats like balanced. Like your voice is never supposed to be louder than the beat, you know, and vice versa. So, you know, and I don't know, like it just makes it sound like low quality and just, you know, so make sure everything's balanced. I turn up my, you know, I turn it up a little bit, and then when I'm done mixing everything and everything sounds like balanced, I mean like equalized, I turn up my master gain just like a little bit. I don't like, you know, do too much with it, but like I just turn that gain up so it can just, so that 808 can just boom, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's really all it is to it, man. For my headphones, I just use like some wired studio headphones, and they work really dope. You can use like Apple earbuds. I don't recommend like wireless Bluetooth because it's kind of like delayed and it just kind of kills the whole experience. But as y'all can see, my input device is on iPhone microphone, and I ain't gonna lie, like my iPhone microphone is pretty dope. I have an iPhone XR. If you have anything lower, you can give it a try. I'm still confident that it'll, you know, work out. But for my iPhone XR, man, it's been getting the job done. But pretty soon I'm about to invest into a mobile studio setup, and it's just gonna be lit, man. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all want to see more of these bangers, man, make sure y'all stay tuned and smash that subscribe button, man. But yeah, Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.